This outfit is so boring.
What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're just gonna do a little bit of, at-home crafting. So if you're anything like me, you have a closet full of tons of stuff, a lot of it old that you never really wear, and some of it new that you don't really wear. I have a shopping problem. But when you're a shopping YouTuber, it doesn't matter. It counts as work. I love my life. Anyways. Today, in the spirit of broke bitch tips, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to turn your old clothes into new clothes super easy, quick, at home with just a couple of snips with some scissors so you can make all of your boring clothes fabulous certified looks. So without further ado, here we go. How to turn your old clothes into new clothes. Bippity boppity, new. Boom.
Oh my goodness, you're such a star. Look at you.
Did I say you could go up there? No, but okay, fine. So, anywhoozy. So this video is actually going to be kind of dumb. You're going to be like, you really made a whole video about this? Yeah, I did. So this is just stuff I get asked all the time. So I'm just going to show you literally the easiest ways ever to turn your old clothes into new stuff. So all you really need, honestly, is some scissors is what we're going to be using for basically all of this. So, all right, here we go. All right, so we're going to want to take this and turn it into a two-piece. All you got to do, cut it. By the way, when you're cutting, you want to use some nice scissors. These are like really nice fabric cutting scissors. They were like 20 bucks, but they're awesome for cutting clothes. So literally all you have to do is kind of guesstimate. So maybe we'll go like down the center here.
George, you're in the way.
Go right here on the side. Like I said, you can kind of guesstimate where you want to cut. And then you can just literally cut right through it until you've cut all the way through it. And you can see like that. Already, just like that, you have a nice little cropped sweatshirt. So stinking cute. I'm not wearing pants, which is why I'm like hiding myself behind this. But super cute, so easy. Now for the bottoms, we're just gonna go ahead and flip that upside down so the bottom of the sweatshirt is actually the top now. And then we're just gonna go ahead and cut this a little smoother because it's a little weird. So, boop. So, there we go. Now it's a little bit smoother. And then if you put that on like a skirt, obviously it's gonna be way too big. So you can kind of get creative here and decide what you wanna do. I'm actually just gonna kind of fold this over like that so it almost looks like a wrap skirt. Then I'm just gonna take some needle and thread and tack it right there with, needle and thread. So take that over under until that's all stitched up. And there you go. You can see you got a fun little croppy two-piece set, go to the beach, go to the mall, go wherever. Yes, I know my vanity's a mess. Don't look at it. But the outfit overall slays. Nailed it. And that only took literally 10 minutes. I actually cut up sweatpants and sweatshirts and things literally all the time. I have like 100 different pairs of them. But here's how I turned some of my old sweatpants into gym shorts. Okay, so here we have some boy gym short, I think, athletic wear. I don't know. Yeah. So they look like this when they're on, ready to play some basketball because we are a basketball wife, girlfriend. Yes, not really. But yeah, so these are just plain shorts. Obviously, they are way too long for my liking. So we're going to make some bootylicious. Okay. Okay, so where you want to cut it is totally up to you. I can see the bottom of the pockets right there. So I want to actually cut them a little bit above that because I just like them really short. You're going to want them to be even. So what you want to do is fold them over each other so you get them all even. So then you're just going to want to kind of snip like that. And then you're just going to take these and snip, snip, snip. And you'll remove the pieces that you cut off and voila. You can see they now look like that. The sweatpants, you don't really have to worry about it being even so much because the ends will kind of like curl up like that, especially after you wash them a few times. So that's kind of cool. Again, you can see the pockets kind of dangling out because like I said, I like them really short. And for even a little extra fun, I'm actually going to roll over the top. Because like I said, these are men's basketball shorts anyway, so they look a little different on men and girls. But look at that. You can see now I have some cute little gym walking George shorts that I cut up. So fierce. And it looks cute with the little croppy sweater. A vibe. If the gyms ever reopen in my lifetime and I, for some reason, decide I start liking going to gyms, maybe I could wear this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cute. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Pumpkin, honey, bear, butt. You're the best. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, so speaking of men's clothing, this one is for the boys. Or for your boyfriends. I do this literally all the time for mine. So if you want to take a regular tank top into a bro top, super easy. Literally all you have to do is, again, haha, what do you know? Cut it! I shouldn't have the scissors like flailing around like that. Okay, anywhoosie. So here you can see, this is just a men's t-shirt. Voila. I got this on sale at H&M for $5 because I didn't have any men's t-shirts sitting around my house. But here we go. So it depends how dramatic you want the armholes to be, but basically what we're going to want to do is cut it like that so it kind of drapes down like summer, literally, frat bro tank. So this is what the shirt looks like before. Obviously like your regular old t-shirt kind of shenanigan, but we're just going to cut the sides off. So again, just fold it in half, you know, lining up the seams of the sleeves so they're even. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Surprise, surprise, take your scissors. And I always just eyeball it. Again, you can literally just trim like that. Smaller hole like that, bigger hole like that. In my opinion, bigger is better. So here we go. I just started at the base and trimmed all the way up along like that. You can remove that. Oh. Sometimes you get things like that. You can just clean those up after you do it. Really just like re-snip that so it's clean and even. You can see when you open it back up, it then looks like this, which when on, then looks like this. The ultimate bro tank to show off your bra for the rave. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. Like I said, my guy friends wear these all the time. Like I cut that one, I cut this one, I cut like all of their shirts. But wow, we're just really all broed out today. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm such a frat bro now. So is this whole video going to be me cutting up men's clothes? Low-key, yes. Okay, so here we have another boring shirt. So if you steal your boyfriend's clothes, you can literally make them into your own like this. Okay, so here is this shirt. It's again just an oversized men's shirt, my favorite. So of course we're just gonna take some scissors again. We're gonna cut this right here, which is actually very convenient because it has like lines so we can really see exactly where to cut. We just cut that straight through like that. Now we have kind of a top and a bottom. So you can see the top now looks like this, but we're not gonna leave it like that because that looks kind of weird. We're gonna tie it. I literally tie up men's shirts all the time. All you have to do is take them like this and you just like that, tie it in a knot. And you can see now it looks like this. Obviously my bra is kind of showing, but cute nonetheless. So now we're gonna do the bottoms. Okay, so this is literally, again, just the bottom of the shirt, which instead of keeping this part buttoned, I'm actually gonna let that fall open like so. So it kind of looks like it's kept the men's shirt aesthetic. Fold it sew up the sides so it fits ya. And you can see when you're done, it's gonna look like this. Yeah, it's definitely a little short. I would recommend doing this with like extra, extra large shirts, but you know, for now it's fine. And it's me after all anyway. And ta-da! When you're done, it's gonna look like this. How freaking cute is that? Again, ignore the giant mess that I have, but isn't this cute? I just got this vase the other day. Gorgeous. Anywhoosie. Now it's a super cute little schoolgirl look. So fun, so fire, and literally, again, took like 10 minutes. Ooh. Look at that, we even match our little honey bear. Baby, thinking about you keeps me up all night. You're such a good sport to live in my house. Oh, a superstar. Okay, so now we're gonna do jeans, something I've made like 100 videos about before. So if you want like extra denim tips, I have them. But we're just gonna cut these puppers up into some new things because I'm bored of them. So you can do this sort of thing with any jeans you want. These are just like big kind of baggy boyfriend jeans. I don't even really know what I want to do to these yet. So here you can see these jeans on. They're actually pretty dang cute. I actually quite like them. You can see very bootylicious. So I think what we're gonna do is give the cuts in the back here so they get that kind of Kylie Jenner effect. So here we go. All right, so obviously we're just gonna flip these over. Now, if this is kind of, I think I'm gonna want the holes to be like right around here. So I'm literally just gonna take the scissors and kind of cut in there like this. Boop, peekaboo, fun. Now you're gonna get some tweezers and literally you can just kind of pluck at them like this. Like you can see, it kind of takes a minute, but eventually it's gonna start to look really destroyed. Boom! I don't really wanna get demonetized, but you can see, booty woo! So fun. So now they're business in the front and party in the back. Woo! Jean mullet. Would I wear these out of the house? Abso-freaking-lutely. Love that. And like I said, I have 70 billion other denim hacks. If you want to see them, I have a full denim hacks video and like a bunch of other stuff. So you can check those out if you want some more. And yeah, that's all you gotta do for that. Okay, now we're gonna take these boring pant things, corporate business, ew, and we're going to make them into a skirt. Okay, yes, these are actually men's pants. Also, don't ask why I have these, but I do. So, yes, we're gonna turn these into a skirt. So anyways, like I said, you can see here is the before. So for this, we're just gonna go ahead again, kind of see where the seam is here. And we're gonna wanna cut, depending on how long you want the skirt to be, we're gonna go with right here. Whoop, look at that. Now they're shorts. Which, to be honest, already makes them way cuter. You could totally wear them like this if you just wanted to like roll up the cuffs here like this. So if you just wanted to roll up the cuffs like this, you could do that. Make sure you double roll them so the little strings don't show, and then you can just tack that with some thread with 3 little stitches. And that'll turn those into shorts if you're into that. So you can see you've got some like cute little businessy shorts there, but I'm more of a skirt person, so we're gonna turn these into a skirt. Unravel that. Okay, so we're gonna just cut along the seam here, so then that's open. Boop, voila, now that's not connected anymore. And then you will actually take these 2 pieces and just sew those together. So again, grab some needle and thread here. So you can just go ahead, take some needle and thread, stitch those 2 pieces together. Obviously go ahead and do the hem too, just so it doesn't look messy. And you can see it's all cleaned up like that. And now, ta-da! As you can see, it's not like perfect or anything because I did this in a rush. But if you actually take time to do this, this will actually look fantastic and be super, super cute. Love that. P.S. in case you missed the other videos, here's just a few other quick little easy hacks for you. Even simple things like adding some patchwork to some jeans will make them look brand spankin' new. Spankin'? Haha, get it? Okay. You can also go ahead and cut old jeans into shorts by, again, doing the same thing I just did to everything else. Literally, you can just cut them and bada bing, bada boom, they're shorts. Add some patchwork to sneakers to give them a whole new look. Of course, if you want an in-depth tutorial on actually ripping jeans or cutting jeans into shorts or, you know, adding bedazzling and all sorts of good stuff, I have, like I said, a bunch of videos on my channel about that, so you can check those out in my DIY fashion playlist. A spin on what Ariana Grande says, if you want it, I probably have a DIY about it.
Bada bing, bada boom. We nailed it.
So there you have it, you guys. Those are the quick little easy tips I have for you to turn your old clothes into new clothes. Like I said, super easy. I like to do my DIYs so literally anyone can do them. Like, you don't even need a sewing machine. All you need is like literally scissors and thread. So enjoy the recreation in your own closet. Have fun. Remember, whatever you want to wear is what you should wear. Be a star, all however you like. Make sure you tag me in your creations, follow, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. And I will see you guys next time. I love you to the moon and back, sweet angels. XO. George, usually we have bloopers at the end of the video. But you're so cute, I wanted to put you in because you're just a star. Hi, sleepy man. I love you. Say bye. Bye.